Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This evening I'm going to be showing you guys a short video on how to make ogi. This is the dry one. This is almost finishing because I love ogi. The weather is very cold and this for me, I call it a winter warmer. This is the brown ogi. There is the yellow ogi, brown, yellow, and there's a white one. I really don't like the white. I really don't like it, but there are different types of ogi. There's a dry one. This is the dry ones, and there's a wet one. Those ones are usually in a cube form, a bigger cube form. And let's get on with it. Let me not waste your time. Like I said, boil the kettle. I'm making this for my kids because I've just had dinner. I'm stuffed. This should be okay for 2 little ones. That's what it looks like. You see, it's dry. Yoruba call it, because I'm Yoruba. Yoruba call it berefu. That's dry. So you had cold water from the tap. You pour it in. Don't put too much. I haven't measured anything. So you stir it until it forms a paste. It's too thick. You stir it until it forms a paste. The smooth paste. That's the paste. That's a smooth paste. See that? If there's any lump, make sure you get rid of it by pressing it down. The water is already boiled. Take the spoon out, pour it in until it's thick. If it's not thick, don't be scared. It's not so thick, so what we'll do is pop it in the microwave for a few minutes, maybe a few seconds basically. Just keep an eye on it. Uh-oh. Just keep an eye on it so it doesn't overflow. We're still going to be using the sugar as well. Sugar and pig milk, dried pig milk. You can use loose milk, evaporated milk, whatever you want to use. You see that? Now that's what I'm talking about. See that? See how thick that is? Then you stir. Ouch. Add your sugar in. I don't measure anything, I just gauge with my eyes until my ancestor says it is enough, and then I stop. See how thick and smooth it is? Now, that is how you make your ogi. Stop. That's it. Pour it in. See how thick that is? That's what the big boy and the little madam. That's how it's done. You pour in. You get your skimmed milk, British semi-skimmed milk or just skimmed milk. Just pour it all over a little bit just to cool it down a bit because it is hot. There you go. That's it. That's it. You see that? delicious. See that? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.